The Great Crypto Transfer, Binance to Coinbase on a Budget. Hey crypto comrades! Ever raided your fridge at 3 a.m. only to discover it's a desolate wasteland devoid of that late-night pizza craving? Kind of feels like trying to transfer crypto between exchanges sometimes, right? You think it'll be a quick in and out, but then BAM. Fees sneak up and leave you feeling hangry. But fear not, fellow crypto adventurers. Because today, we're cracking the code on transferring your precious digital assets from Binance to Coinbase without breaking the bank. That's right, we're all about budget-friendly crypto movement. So, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of fees, let's take a quick step back. Why would you even want to transfer crypto between exchanges? Well, reasons abound. Maybe you found a killer deal on Coinbase you can't resist. Perhaps Binance doesn't offer a specific crypto you have your eye on. Or maybe you're just like me and enjoy a bit of exchange diversification, like having a multi-coinage purse. Whatever your reason, understanding the fees involved is crucial. Because let's be honest, nobody enjoys hidden charges silently munching away at their hard-earned crypto gains. Now, the fee structure for transferring crypto can get a little technical. There are two main culprits to consider. Network fees. Think of these as the toll booths on the crypto highway. They're fees charged by the underlying blockchain network to process your transaction. Think of it as paying for gas to get your crypto from point A to point B. Exchange fees. These are the platforms take on facilitating your transfer. Every exchange has its own fee schedule, so it's important to be aware of what you're getting into. Binance and Coinbase are no exceptions. Binance charges withdrawal fees based on the specific crypto you're transferring. You can find a detailed breakdown on their fee page https://www.binance.com/n/fee/crypto fee. Coinbase, on the other hand, doesn't explicitly list withdrawal fees, but they do factor network fees into their overall pricing structure. So, how do you navigate this fee labyrinth and emerge victorious? Here are some battle-tested strategies. Choose the right crypto. Different cryptocurrencies have varying network fees. Bitcoin, for example, is notorious for hefty transaction fees. Consider transferring a less congested coin like Litecoin or Ripple if fees are a major concern. Look for trading pairs. If you're looking to convert your crypto to a different kind on Coinbase, see if a trading pair exists. This can sometimes be a more cost-effective option compared to transferring and then converting. Wait for low network traffic times. Network congestion can significantly inflate fees. Some services track blockchain activity and suggest optimal transfer windows. Utilize these tools to your advantage. Consider alternative exchanges. There's a whole cryptoverse out there. Explore other exchanges known for lower fees, especially if you're transferring large amounts. Just remember to do your due diligence before creating accounts on any new platform. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. By understanding the fee structures and employing these strategies, you can become a master of budget-friendly crypto transfers. No more late-night fridge raids and empty wallets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.